Hello everyone, I'm Rahul. In this video, we will understand TCL commands. TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. These commands are used to manage changes made by DML statements. TCL allows the statements to be grouped together into logical transactions. There are mainly three commands. One is commit, second one is save point, and third is rollback. Commit saves all the work done. The commit command is transactional command used to save changes invoked by a transaction in the database. It ends the current transaction and makes permanent changes during the transaction. Save point command is used for saving all current point in processing a transaction. It marks and saves current point in the processing of a transaction. Now, if we talk about rollback, it restores the database into original state since the last commit. The rollback command is transactional command used to undo transaction that have already been saved into the database. It is used to restore the database to last committed state. In this video, we will understand TCL transaction control language, commands like commit, rollback, and save point. These commands are mainly used to manage the changes made by DML statement. TCL commands allows the statement to be grouped together into logical transactions. Now we will understand one by one commit, save point, and rollback. Before that, we will create one table. We will write drop command if table is there already. Now we will create a table. Account number. Then balance. And name. Now we will insert several data. Now why commit is used? So in case of commit saves all work done. It ends the current transaction, makes the permanent changes during the transaction. So we will insert several data. Now we will insert record. And we will insert one or two records more, 6000, and bname. One more row we will create, that is A03 7000, and the bname will be Anand. We will see the records now. Now we will create one save point here, that is save point S1. This will be used later on so that you can understand the concept of save point, rollback, and commit. Now we are going to insert one more row. That is A04, then balance will be 8,000 and we are inserting one more row. Now let's have a look at the table. So we have 5 records in this account table. Now what happens when we roll back the transaction? So we have a save point here S1, and before creation of this save point S1 we have 3 records in account table. So whenever we will roll back the transaction, it will undo the work that is done, roll back to save point name, that is S1. Now have a look at the table account. So we will be having 3 records only, as we have undone the transaction till the save point that we have created earlier, S1. So by this way rollback works. Now if you have not specified save point name, then it will roll back the entire transaction until the last commit was occurred. So in case if you want to save changes permanently into the database that you are making here, you need to specify commit. Now we will perform commit operation and we will have a look at the table. So commit command saves all the work done. It ends the transaction and makes permanent changes during the transaction. Save point is used for saving all current point in processing of a transaction. It marks and saves the current point in the processing of a transaction. Rollback command restores database to original since the last commit. It is used to restore the database to the last committed state. I hope you will try these on your own, and if you find any difficulty, let us know in comment section. Thanks.